Good morning, class. Today we learn a team of workers. Okay. Today we learn page number 25. A team of workers. Listen carefully and read with me. लक्ष देऊन ऐका आणि माझ्याबरोबर वाचा. आधी आपण वाचणार आहोत पूर्ण चॅप्टर अँड देन एक्सप्लेन. ओके. Now read with me. All body parts stand together holding hands. All said, work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Mouth said, hands come forward and tell us what you do. Hand says, we lift, we hold, we carry, we give and we take. We pull, we push, we put. 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There's nothing that we cannot do. Mouth said, Fit, come forward and tell us what you do. Fit, we walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip and jump and hope. We step forward, we turn about, and just in time we stop. Mouse said, eyes, ears, nose. What about you? Eyes said, we open, we close, we read, we blink, we see things far and near. Ears said, and be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. Nose said, I breathe day and night, I can never rest, I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you, mouth? Mouth said, oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink, I sip, I slurp, I chew and bite. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly does not do any work. All. That's right. The belly does not do any work. Belly said, that's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes one inside me. You cannot see it, but I do work. I said, why cannot we see it? It's because you do not do any work. Hand said, the only work you do is to grab all good food. Feet said, you don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? All says, we won't work for you. You won't get any food now? Belly says, do not do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you do not give me food. All. Do not try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. Okay. Now 3 hours later. 3 hours later. Belly, please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. Others. No means no. We are all going to relax just like you. Belly, please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Others, sorry, Don't try to deceive, nothing you will receive. 2 days later, 2 days later, belly, how are you, my friends? Mouth, oh, I feel so dry. Hands and feet, we feel so weak. Eyes, we cannot see properly. Ears and nose, we feel so tired. All, what's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? Enter brain. Brain said, you silly fellows, now you have to and no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give your energy? Think. All said. Could it be? Is it the belly? Brain. Yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of us. Do you understand it now? All. Yes, yes. Now we know this belly does a lot of work, though he does not show it off. He does important work. All hold hands and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work.